Hello, my group is going to present about scrolling habits among students. Okay, my name is Muhammad Faridin bin Baharim. My number is 15 DAD 23F1058.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz Ashraf Perosti. My matrix number is 15 DAD 23F1050. Hi,
This report presents the results of the survey conducted among students of Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah to study their scrolling habits on social media. In today's digital age, scrolling through online platforms has become a common daily activity among students, often influencing their time management, focus, and lifestyle. The survey aims to understand how frequently students engage in scrolling, what platforms they use most, and the reasons behind their habits. The objective of our survey is to identify the most frequently used social media platforms among PSS students, to determine what apps are downloaded by the students, to determine the main situations that cause the students to spend time scrolling, to observe the differences in scrolling habits based on demographics such as gender and age, and finally to present and interpret the collected data using visual tools such as pie charts and bar graphs. Okay, for age, nearly a third of the respondents are 20 years old, while 2/3 are evenly spread out from 21 to 23 and above. The smallest group set would be 18-year-olds and younger. For gender, 47.8% of the respondents are female and 52.2% are male. This means there are slightly more male students than female students that answered the survey.
now we can see at the page 8, which is the apps do you have on your phone. Based on the result, WhatsApp is the most used social media app among students with 91.3 followers, by Instagram 87% and TikTok 82.6% and Telegram 82.6%. Also, apps like Discord 30.4% and Reddit 39.1% are the least used. This shows that most students prefer apps that focus on communication and short video. Now at the page 9, where do you like to scroll? The data show the most students scroll their phone in the living room and bedroom, both with 91.3%, the classroom 82.6%, and workplace is 60.9%. Are almost common place for scrolling. Meanwhile, fewer students scroll while in restaurant, 47.8%. The toilet is 34.8%, or in the car is 34.8% also. This suggests that students mostly scroll when they are in comfortable and private space. Now at the page 10, what station makes you want to scroll? The chart shows that all students 100% scroll on their phone while waiting for something, making it the most common reason. This is followed by being at the morning event, 78.3%, and the feeling tired from work or study, 73.9%. Fewer students scroll to distract themselves from stress, 56.5%, or to avoid awkward social interaction, 47.8%. This suggests that most scrolling happen when students are bored or have idle time. Now at the page 11, which is app do you use on a regular basis to communicate with friends? The results show that WhatsApp 82.6% is the most common apps used by students to communicate with friends. TikTok 73.9%, and Instagram 69.6 are also popular choice for staying connected. Other apps such as Telegram 47.8%, Snapchat 43.5%, and Discord 43.5% also used less often. While Threads 34.8%, and X Twitter is 34.8% also. They are least used. This show the most students prefer apps that are easy for chatting and social interaction. Which app do you use to find new friends? Based on the survey, most people use TikTok 73.9% to find new friends, followed by Instagram 60.9 something. Other people use Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp is 52.2% each. They least use apps is Discord. S is 21.7%. Which apps do you use to find new idea or inspiration? According to the survey, most people use TikTok 87% to find new idea or inspiration. Instagram is the second most popular at 59.5%, followed by Telegram is 52.2%, and Pinterest is 47.8%, and the list of apps are Threads and Discord 26.1% each. Which app do you use to go shopping? The survey showed the most people use Instagram 78.3% and TikTok 73.9% to go shopping. Facebook is also popular with 59.5% of users. The least used app for shopping is Snapchat 26.1%.
The survey shows that students spend a lot of time scrolling mainly WhatsApp, TikTok, and Instagram. Most students scroll while waiting or relaxing, usually in their bedrooms or living rooms, showing social media's strong role in their daily routines. In conclusion, scrolling culture is very prevalent among students of ages 18 to 23. This finding is very concerning to the well-being of fellow students, and if not handled correctly or adequately, will soon impact the future of our youth.